Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 18 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add in more of the trees, and then we added some backgrounds, and we added some details here. We set the environment, and then we added some puddles, bigger puddles, and then now we're gonna continue working on this. So we're going to go to media now and set our views. So here I'm going to go in the middle of here and then click on my first image. So in my first image, so now here I'm gonna try and create my view. And go to camera and then change my focal length. I think this one is good. Perfect. And then go to other side. Do the same thing. Click image. And then the other side. Click image as well. Let me check if I could lower the age more. Size information, summer, autumn, winter, auto. I want to move it a bit here. Let's see if that one, I think that's good enough. Okay, so now those are set. We need to make this one in high. And then let's refresh them. And then here, I would like to increase this a bit or add another one, but with a different weather. So I would like snow. I think that's good enough with the snow. And maybe the other side with the snow as well. This one's good as well, so I'm happy with that. Okay, so I think everything is set here. Let's go on our video. So here we need to quit media first. I want to come from here. Going forward. Seven. Add another part. It's done right there. Add this one right here. 4 seconds. Add this one. For a second as well. Add another keyframe. Going down. Five seconds. Second right there. Five seconds. Keyframe going out. Six seconds. This one I want it to be snowing. And then here I want it to be summertime. Okay, so now click here, duplicate. I'm gonna rename one as shorts, and then the other one show reel. And for the shorts, I'm going to change this to 1000, and then the other one is 700 for the width. And for the shorts, you might have to double check because that one is too far. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make this one right here. I'm gonna change it to probably 4. I'm gonna change this to 8. For this one, I'm probably going to zoom it in. Okay, just checking everything, that everything is in frame. And then I think I'm good with that. We just need to export them. So save it first before you do anything else. There's a big chance of sometimes it's crashing, so you might as well save it before you do anything. And then here, just select all, and then for the video as well, selecting all as well. And then you just need to export it and then start export. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.